Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that right now Euro USD is in a very critical position. Okay, so before jumping to the strategy, let's do the analysis. Let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro USD. Let's find out. So if we look at the overall chart of Euro USD, then you can see that this market is in downtrend. There is no doubt that this market is in downtrend. It means that the number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. Therefore, following the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market, which says that we should follow the trend, it means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. This market is in clear-cut downtrend. Therefore, following the thumb rule, it means that we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. But there are certain levels or certain things on the chart of Euro USD that we must understand first. For that, we need to go to the weekly chart here. So this is the weekly chart of Euro USD, and as we all know, the higher time frames like weekly chart, daily chart belongs to the big boys, the institutional traders. So therefore, they are very important. And in the weekly chart, you can see that right now Euro USD is just standing at the weekly support level, and you can see that previously when Euro USD witnessed some selling pressure, the same level provided support to the market. Therefore, there is a good possibility that market will be bouncing, or market will still get the required support from this particular level. But right now you can see that market has formed a red candle, so this is not the ideal time. Okay, this is not the ideal time right now, but still market is in a very critical position. Market is in the best position to trade right now. But as you can see that the selling pressure is extremely high here. Okay, therefore we'll have to wait for some time. Okay, we'll have to wait and watch, because one more thing that we need to consider, or we cannot overlook, is the chart of US dollar. This is the US dollar chart, DXY, and you can see that DXY is extremely bullish, because see, if US dollar is up or if US dollar is going up, then you'll see GBP USD, Euro USD going down. If dollar is going down, then you will see Euro USD, GBP USD going up. And right now you can clearly see that US dollar is extremely bullish. Therefore, Euro is kind of weak here, and as a result, you are seeing heavy selling pressure on the chart of Euro. But if you look at this chart carefully, then you can see that US dollar is just standing at resistance. So there is a good possibility that USD will just go down, or USD will reverse. So if USD starts going down from here, then obviously Euro USD will be reversing from this particular support. Or on the other hand, if dollar crosses this resistance, or if dollar gets very bullish and breaks this resistance, then you will see selling pressure, good selling pressure on the chart of Euro USD. Then USD will be crossing this level. So things are quite interrelated and quite critical also. So you must keep your eyes on the chart of Euro USD plus dollar index as well for the confirmation. Okay, and if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. You can see that 15% retail traders have taken short position. Only 15% retail traders have taken short position, and 84% retail traders have already taken long position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money, and this is the main reason of losing money, because see, the main reason why they lose money is that they always stand against the trend of the market. As we can clearly see on the chart that euro is still falling. This is not the ideal position to click on the buy button till yet, but they have already taken buy position, so they are in loss right now. So early entry is also very much harmful and poisonous. So my dear friend, do not make the same mistake. They have already initiated buy position, but still we do not have the confirmation whether euro USD will be bouncing from the support or not. Therefore you must be very careful. And if you want to check out the how much profit you can expect or how much volatility you can expect, then you just go to the forex volatility calculator here, and under euro USD section you'll see how much volatility you can expect. You can see that on 15 minutes you can expect a volatility of 1.8 pips. In the 30 minutes you can expect a volatility of 3.8 pips. In 1 hour you can expect 7.7, and in the 4 hours chart you can expect a volatility of 9.1 pips. So this volatility calculator is extremely handy tool for traders. It helps you to understand how much profit you can expect. Okay, and recently my dear friends, I have launched a pro trader membership program where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities just for a monthly fee of $15 per month. You can sign up for a membership. I'll be sharing the report over your WhatsApp. Okay, so you can also check this out. Anyways, let's jump to the chart of euro USD and try to understand what should be our strategy. Okay, as you can already see, as you already seen, that market is standing at a very crucial position here. Therefore obviously this is a buy call. Okay, but right now this is not the ideal position because market is still falling, dollar is still going up. Okay, things are still not in our favor. We still do not have the confirmation yet. Therefore, though market is standing at a very good position, so still you need to wait for at least 1 or 2 candles. Okay, wait for 1 or 2 candles and just wait and watch. If you see after a couple of hours market respecting this level and going up from here, then you can go for buy. Or if you see a strong price rejection from below, if market forms a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern and then market going up, then you can go for a buy. But yes, confirmation is extremely important. And still you can see that euro USD is trying to respect the support, but still it does not have the strength yet. Let it give you the confirmation first, then you should go for buy. On the other hand, if it fails, okay, if it fails to hold this level, and if you see a big red candle, okay, if you see a big red candle, then immediately jump to the DXY chart. Okay, immediately jump to the DXY chart and see how the dollar is doing. If you see that dollar is crossing the resistance and going up, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, dollar is extremely bullish, and then you can short the market, that you can short euro USD. But wait for at least 4 hours. Okay, but right now looking at the present condition of the market, it looks like the dollar will be going reversing and euro USD will be going up from here. And if it goes up from here, then definitely you can go for a buy order. But you must wait for the perfect opportunity and confirmation. It is the very good spot. Okay, you can go for buy, but just wait for confirmation. Yeah. And most importantly, if you go for buy, then please follow proper risk management. For proper risk management, and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. My dear friend, I'm telling you again, do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because our trades may go wrong also. Okay, because traders like you, traders like me, we do not drive the direction of the market. Therefore, be careful. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood what you need to do here. So see you tomorrow again. Bye bye. Take care.